What do we do is nothing. Here we go. It's now fully open. Then fire. Has it? Then we close this. Now what must we do? Down here. Go back. Just the sides. The front. The other side. Now that's it. Remove. This thing is really bad in maneuvering, so it will take like a couple thousand views to just turn. Okay. We're slowly turning. Oh, hitting the front, by the way, you have to saw the entire thing exploded. So it's not really realistic. Hitting the front of this thing and just explodes. Anyways, I think the fastest we could go is 100. Maybe? I know, I will just stick that. I will test the speed. It definitely 18 kilometers per hour or something in miles per hour. Anyways, we have this version which includes more things other than this version. You know how? Just do this happens. Because it really is nice. Now we have the other one. I think we have to hold down. Then we have lights. So this you have lights, but I just put two in the back. Now we have machine guns. They far away slow because of the line. We have minigun. Still the same, but still same RPM. But moves faster, I guess. Go. Now, of course, it didn't just go. He didn't attack. Just go through the wall. Oh, then I shot on through it, by the way. Since, I just can't put it there. There's literally too much. Anyway, choose the lag, try to move. Let's do this, I just figured it out. I know. Oh, how low is that? Oh yeah. Definitely like 50. Then the previous one that we saw so far, goes at 80 kilometers. And that's for the video. And this is really hard to make, so see you next time.